Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's now explore the strategies to improve conversion rate in a contact center. Since conversion reflects the final outcome of customer interactions, whether it's sales, collections, upgrades, or retention, improvement requires more than just harder work. It's about smarter targeting, stronger agent execution, intelligent technology enablement, and thoughtful customer experience design. By aligning these elements, contact centers can systematically lift conversion rates, boost revenue, and drive sustainable performance gains. The first and most powerful strategy to boost conversion rate is to enhance lead and data quality. By using AI-driven lead scoring, you can prioritize high-probability contacts, ensuring agents focus on prospects most likely to convert. Regular CRM cleansing, removing invalid, duplicate, or stale data, keeps your outreach sharp and efficient. The impact is clear. When agents spend their time on the right prospects, success ratios rise, productivity improves, and every call delivers more value. The second key strategy to improve conversion rate is to personalize customer engagement. By applying smart segmentation, using demographics, purchase history, and intent signals, you can tailor both your offers and your conversations to match each customer's profile. Generic pitches may get heard, but personalized messaging gets results. The impact: when customers feel understood and valued, they respond more positively, leading to significantly higher conversion rates. The third powerful strategy to improve conversion rate is to strengthen agent training and coaching. Continuous coaching on objection handling, upselling, empathy, and compliance builds the confidence and agility agents need to turn conversations into outcomes. Using call monitoring, structured role-play, and AI-assisted feedback loops helps identify gaps quickly and sharpen real-world performance. The impact: well-prepared, skilled agents are far more persuasive, and they consistently close more deals. Let's talk about how we can leverage AI Agent Assist to transform real-time customer interactions. With AI Agent Assist, your agents get instant access to suggested replies, dynamic pricing calculators, and relevant knowledge snippets right when they need them. This means no more long pauses or hesitation while searching for the right information. Instead, agents can respond with confidence, deliver consistent messaging, and move the conversation forward smoothly. And here's the real impact: this capability boosts agent confidence, enhances accuracy, and accelerates closure speed. When agents feel supported, customers feel the difference. That's the power of real-time AI assistance at work. Let's explore how optimizing your scripts and sales process can make every conversation more impactful. Instead of relying on rigid, word-forward scripts, empower your agents with flexible conversation frameworks. This allows them to adapt naturally to each customer's tone, need, and situation. Next, leverage A/B testing to compare different messaging approaches in real time. Identify what resonates most with your audience and double down on what works best. The result? Your conversations feel authentic, your agents sound persuasive and human, and your overall conversion rates climb higher. Authenticity isn't just good for customer experience, it's a sales accelerator. Let's talk about why timing optimization is a game changer for customer outreach. By leveraging predictive analytics, we can identify when customers are most likely to respond, for example, evenings for B2C audiences or business hours for B2B. This ensures that every attempt lands at the right moment, not just a random one. We also align these outreach efforts with key customer life cycle stages like renewals, bill due dates, or upgrade opportunities. When communication meets context, receptivity skyrockets. The impact is powerful: higher engagement, better decision readiness, and a significant lift in conversion success. Because in sales, the when can be just as important as the what. Let's explore how offer design and incentives can turn interest into action. Start by crafting personalized offers, whether it's a targeted discount, a smart bundle, or an attractive upgrade that truly align with each customer's specific needs and preferences. Personal relevance makes your offer feel valuable, not generic. Then, amplify that value with limited time offers to create a sense of urgency. When customers see that the window to act is closing, they're far more likely to make a decision. The result? Stronger perceived value, heightened urgency, and ultimately, a higher conversion rate. Because the right offer, at the right moment, doesn't just sell, it compels. Let's talk about the power of omnichannel reinforcement in driving conversions. Today's customers don't just live on one channel, they move fluidly between calls, messages, and digital platforms. That's why it's essential to combine outbound calls with follow-ups through SMS, email, or WhatsApp. For example, if a customer doesn't commit during the call, you can send a personalized follow-up message to keep the conversation warm. This gentle nudge can make all the difference between hesitation and conversion. More touchpoints mean more opportunities to influence decisions and more chances to close the deal. Because in modern engagement, a single interaction rarely seals the outcome, but a smart, well-timed sequence often does. Let's dive into why customer experience is at the heart of every successful conversion. When we reduce wait times, ensure smooth and intelligent call routing, and maintain empathetic, human-centered communication, we create an interaction that customers actually enjoy. A great experience builds comfort, confidence, and most importantly, trust. And trust is what makes customers more willing to buy, upgrade, or commit. In other words, customer experience isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a powerful conversion driver. Because when customers feel heard, valued, and cared for, saying yes becomes the natural next step. Let's talk about how continuous analytics and feedback fuel sustainable growth. By tracking conversion performance at multiple levels, agent, campaign, segment, and channel, we uncover what's truly driving results. These insights help us spot patterns, best practices, and winning strategies. But the real power lies in what comes next, replicating those best practices across teams. When data guides decisions, success stops being random, it becomes repeatable. This creates a culture of continuous improvement, sharper execution, and scalable performance gains. Because what gets measured gets improved, and what gets improved drives lasting impact. Let's wrap it all up with a clear strategy to elevate conversion rates in your contact center. First, target smarter, clean your data, use AI-driven lead scoring, and personalize every interaction. Second, equip your agents better, invest in strong training, AI assistance, and optimized conversation frameworks. Third, engage at the right time and on the right channels. Predictive timing and omni-channel reinforcement make every touchpoint count. Fourth, enhance value and trust, deliver compelling offers, build a strong customer experience, and maintain transparency. And finally, continuously optimize, let data, feedback, and A/B testing guide performance improvements. The result? More meaningful outcomes, whether it's sales, collections, or upgrades, achieved with the same or even fewer interactions. That's how smarter strategies translate directly into higher revenue, stronger ROI, and a winning customer experience. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.